Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off the voice assistant on Samsung Galaxy A15, and the method is the same also for A10, 20, 30, 40 and 17. So let's do it. First, just press the power button.
12, 13. Swipe with 2 fingers to unlock.
Now swipe with 2 fingers to unlock.
Device unlocked. One UI home.
Now again with 2 fingers swipe to the top.
App screen, page 1 of 1. Home screen, page 1 of 2 default page.
Now tap once on settings.
Settings, 1 UI home. Custom actions, swipe up and down to select. Double tap with 2 fingers to perform the custom action. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press.
Now double tap to enter the settings.
Settings.
Now swipe with 2 fingers.
Showing items 7 to 16 of 25. Showing items 16 to 24 of 25. Completing setup, Google Play.
Now tap once on accessibility.
Accessibility, voice assistant, mono audio, assistant menu, in list, 25 items. Double tap to activate.
Double tap to enter.
Accessibility, showing item 1 of 1.
Now tap on screen reader.
Screen reader, get spoken audio guidance and special controls that help you navigate without needing to see the screen. In list, 7 items. Progress, play support libraries, installing. Double tap to activate.
Now double tap to enter in screen reader.
Screen reader, showing items 1 to 5 of 5.
Now tap on voice assistant.
Voice assistant on, switch, in list, 5 items. Double tap to activate.
And now double tap to turn
Learn
off.
tapping OK will stop voice assistant on.
Tap on OK.
OK button, not in list. Double tap to activate.
And double tap to activate.
Voice assistant off.
And now the voice assistant is off. So, I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.